Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can upload photos of your products on your gigs on Fiverr. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up a Fiverr account. After you open it, let's go ahead and open fiverr.com on any of the browser. If you don't have a Fiverr account yet, don't you worry, because you can sign up to Fiverr using Google, Facebook, and your Apple ID. So if you have switched to your buying mode, I suggest you to switch to selling mode, because you cannot upload to your gig if you are in buying mode. So after you switch on selling mode, click on My Business and go to gigs. Now you can just go ahead and create a new gig, or you can select your old gig and edit it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select my old gig and click on edit. After you click on edit, now what you need to do is complete all of these processes. Go ahead and click save and continue, and you can see the overview, pricing, description, requirements, and gallery option. Go ahead and fill all of this, and after you fill it, you can see the process will begin. Go ahead and save and continue all of this option over here. Make sure you fill in the description and FAQs, write down the requirements and questions over here, and also answer your question and click save and continue. The next step is the gallery. Now you can scroll a bit down and you can find the video option. Go ahead and upload your video. Make sure that it is shorter than 75 seconds and smaller than 50 MB. After you upload your video, scroll a bit down, add down your audio of the product you are selling. Scroll all the way down and you can see images. So this video is about uploading images on your product. So what you need to do is select the photo which you want from your gallery or your file explorer. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete one photo over here, and you can see this option shows up. Go ahead and click on browse option. You can even drag and drop these, and after you do so, just go ahead and select the photo of your choice. After you select the photo, you can see the dimension should match it. So if this doesn't match, you cannot upload the photo. So go ahead and select the photo which matches the dimension. If this is not going on, you can just go ahead and select an requirement, and you can see the requirement of this photo. You can align the photo with the requirement and upload it. And this is how you can upload images of your products on your gig on Fiverr. After you do this, just go ahead and click on this box, click on save and continue, and the next process is to publish it. Now you can certify your account and you can click on publish gig, and there you go. This is how easy it is to publish photos of your products on Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.